Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you where to find the reset button on top of your Midea air conditioner and what you can do if you don't have the buttons available. So first of all, if you have the Midea split air conditioner just like so, you need to simply open the front cover of the indoor unit and you need to simply look near the right hand side of the control panel, close to the display or the receiver board, as some of the models have a small manual control or the reset button hidden behind the front panel. Now if you have a media window or the portable air conditioner, you can just simply inspect the power cord plug. Many of the models include the test and the reset button, which is built directly in the plug. So if you see that reset button, you just have to press it. Now, many of the Midea air conditioners don't have a dedicated reset button, and in that case, you just have to switch off it from the basically the circuit board, and then you just have to wait for at least 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, restore the power and turn it back on. So this is what I call the manual reset. So if you don't have a dedicated reset button on top of your AC, that's how you can basically reset it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.